So I'm back again. I found a different part on my workbench out on another CX engine. Oh, this feels also good. No, come here. This feels also very good. That's not a problem. Like new. But when I going to use this one, and that's possible because this is CX500, also a Hitachi, I always install new springs because to prevent this problem. Yeah, sure, it's happened, but still I'm going to use new springs. Especially in a 650 engine, you have to do that. So, clean up. How we're going to do that? To take out with a magnet the rollers. Then I take out the springs. Ooh, the springs look even good. There's nothing wrong with it. Second-hand part is this, eh? Not new. So. Now I have to put. I have to grab new springs. One moment, please. So. One moment. That's a new spring. That's also a new spring. That's also a new spring. So, special parts. I'm amazed because there is not much difference between the old one and the new one. The new one is approximately 4 or 5 millimeters longer. So I'm throw the old ones away, but they are still great for normal use, but I throw them away. I don't use them. I put new ones in. But now the difficult part. Check inside. The roller has to move inside, and when there is how do you say that in English? When it is not smooth inside, the roller can't perform very well. So you have to feel with your finger if it is okay. And now I'm missing something, but I will use this part. This is not the part I normally use. That's why there is a hole. And you have seen going one spring away, that's laying there, because I'm standing not on the right position to reinstall it. You have to feel if the place where the roller is very smooth. Nice? Yes, I know. Normally I do this on the workbench because that's the place how to handle it, but this time I want to show you what I see. Those rollers, you can always use them. There is no problem with those rollers. But those starter cocks of gears, how do you call them? Throw them away. Use different ones. Especially from the 650, it is rubbish. So it was lying in the oil. In the oil. So. That's good. That's good. That should be alright. Then I will go back to the engine. I also told you I use the other bearing, roller bearing, put another one. This can be a slight issue because sometimes it won't fit. Don't ask me why. At the moment it fits. If it won't fit, pull all business off, put the bearing, the roller bearing inside the starter gear and push it back. Then it can work very well. You have to fiddle it. Try different ways. Why I have that, okay. Go. That's fine. You hear there is a lot of slack there, movement in the starter gear. That's not a problem. There is always a lot of movement there. Don't worry about that. That causes not a problem. In all the engines I have made earlier movies about it, there is a lot of space there. Because this was on the workbench, it's a little bit dirty. So I'm going to replace this oil for new one later on. I don't have the gasket at the moment, I think, so I have to pick it up in my store. Thus I will fit it later. I also can adjust the distribution chain at the moment. Oh, that looks very fine. Nothing has happened. That's good. Check. There's always yes, yes, yes. The other ones are not important. I checked it all. The rubber, I will always put a new one on it, because when it is getting out I want to have a new one in it. Shit. The rubber is taking its place inside the engine, and when it is relocated or the rear cover is reinstalled, maybe it's going to leak. This one is not very bad, but the old ones has always a flat side on it, so I will reinstall a new one. So, but not at the moment. Looks fine, sees very well, looks clean. There is not a problem there. Looks good. So, thanks for watching. A little short movies at the moment. Klaas, you get the material back from me, and I think this problem is solved, and we check it later on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.